Recently, Luka Magnotta was in the news because he is taking Corrections Canada to federal court after his rights were violated. All inmates only spend 2 years in maximum federal prison after their sentence begins. Then they are transferred to medium security. This is how the prison system works. If an inmate has no reports that are negative, no fights, and are participating in programs in school, also, if they are quiet and not problematic, they go to medium. That's it. This happens routinely, like clockwork, 99.9% of the time. Before a routine medium status is granted, a parole officer must do a recommendation report on all the good behavior. A psychiatrist must do an evaluation. Also, a psychologist must do multiple interviews, and all three reports are combined and turned into a positive transfer report. So obviously, Luka's parole officer, psychiatrist, and psychologist all recommended him. Obviously, supervisor signed off on his positive medium transfer. Obviously, the government refused all the case management team's positive reports and decided to keep Luka in maximum. So Luka rightfully made a complaint. It's unbelievable the government could step in and block Magnotta's transfer after so many professionals wrote recommendations to transfer him out of a violent, gang-infested max prison. A maximum is only reserved for inmates who are attacking each other, fighting, and extremely violent gang members, not for quiet inmates who are very easily managed in a medium. It's clear Luka is a political prisoner, being kept in a maximum to make a point. The government wants to make an example out of Magnotta. They didn't care about his safety. Almost every inmate who doesn't get negative reports or isn't fighting goes to medium. Child killers, serial rapists, serial killers, multiple murders, they all go to medium if recommended. Tory Stafford killer Michael Rafferty was sent to medium. He is high profile. Child killer Dr. Guy Turcotte was sent to medium. Serial killer Russell Williams was sent to medium. Inmates labeled dangerous offenders were sent to medium. Luka is not designated a dangerous offender, nor is he a serial killer. Why are violent gang members who stab other inmates constantly being sent to medium? Why are other high-profile inmates sent to medium and not Luka? Mediums have the same high bars, wire razor fences as maximums, and the same guards who stand watch. Society is equally protected from medium security inmates just as much as maximum security inmates. The only difference is that maximums is very dangerous to inmate safety. Luka is not asking to be released from prison. He simply wants to be placed in a safer environment. It is a safety matter. All doctors, psychologists, and prison staff signed off and approved Luka to transfer. The Canadian government is playing politics with Luka's case. Luka Magnotta is definitely a political prisoner. The Canadian government is dramatically violating Luka's rights. He was absolutely justified in taking the corrupt Corrections Canada to court. CSC knows that they have no justifiable reason to deny Luka's medium request. They approved serial killer Russell Williams' medium transfer in 2017. CSC will do anything to look good in front of Parliament and the Canadian public so they can continue to collect money from their operations. A judge will sure side with Magnotta. CSC should be ashamed. Sylvie Bordelais, the Quebec lawyer, just commented on this and said very good things about Magnotta. Thanks everyone for your time.